Hi everyone, are you looking at entering the workforce? Are you a recent college grad? Are you in school and curious about entry-level paying jobs? Did you know that there are entry-level jobs, depending on the field, that can start at close to $100,000 per year? Well, this video will tackle the topic of the top 10 highest paying entry-level jobs. Before we jump into the details, welcome to my channel. I talk about jobs, education, careers, and more. My aim is to help you in making choices on your own careers with the best information you can get. You're not alone out there, and there are many people just like you trying to do the same thing. Now, as we get into this list, there is a lot of commonality in the high-paying jobs, and you'll see this as the list progresses. This list is also data that was current as of 2019. The pay mentioned is the median base salary, and it's good information to show what jobs are in demand that pay well. Now let's get into the details. The top 10 highest paying entry-level jobs. Number 10, software developers. The entry-level pay for software developers comes in at $68,600. As we start this list, software developers are individuals who create applications that is used on computer hardware. A quick example of this is Microsoft Word. It's a software offering that allows you to create documents. Software developers are in the background working on getting the coding right. The degrees that are commonplace for software developers are computer science, and you have a strong background in one or several computer programming and coding platforms. Number 9, system engineers, whose entry-level pay for this job comes in at $70,000. A systems engineer works in the background in an organization, making sure their computer infrastructure is up to speed. They will research to make sure that all software and hardware in operation at their organizations is up to date. They also install software centrally at an organization that is then pushed out company-wide to the various computer hardware platforms. If you're looking to pursue this option, you'll need a degree in computer science, computer engineering, or similar degree. Number 8, Java developers. Java developers' entry-level pay comes in at $72,000 a year. Java developers have mastered, Java programming language. Java is a very popular programming language in corporations, so it makes sense that Java developers would be in high demand. If you're interested in this job, you'll first need to have a solid understanding of Java programming language, as well as a degree in computer science. Additionally, a certificate reflecting your knowledge of Java will help, but it's not required. Number 7, implementation consultants. This next job is one that is not necessarily technical in nature. It's essentially a consultant. Implementation consultants have an entry-level pay of $72,000. You will need market expertise in a specific field or knowledge base that companies need. This position will be utilized for their specific expertise to help the organization get a specific solution to marketplace. This may sound vague because it is, but you'll be providing a company your expertise to add value to what they could not already solve with their current workforce. A degree for implementation consultants will vary based on the expertise, as large consulting companies will have a variety of individuals with expertise in different fields. If you possess a detailed knowledge with your degree, there might be a job for you in this market niche. One can assume that the degree will need to be either technical or business related. Number 6, UX designers. Entry-level pay for this occupation is at $73,000 a year. You would initially think that this would be technical in nature, but it's not. The U in X stands for user experience. As one that works in the user experience space, you will design the process to enhance the user experience with a product, brand, or other item. If you're in college, the good thing is that there's not necessarily a specific degree that you'll need to obtain. But there is a lot of literature and information that you need to master to get into this field. Number 5, product designers. The entry-level pay here starts at $85,000. A product designer is going to be someone that makes a thing better through design. This occupation is somewhat similar to UX designers, but leans towards the technical side. You'll need to know things like CAD software for the design of products. A degree in graphic design or similar degree will be one that sets you up for success in this occupation. Number 4, investment banking analysts. The entry-level pay for an investment banking analyst comes in at $85,000. As an analyst in this field, you are developing a business case to either invest or not invest in a specific company. And you will provide your feedback to banking executives so they can make larger decisions to put money into a company or not. If you're in a business school at the college you're attending and you like this stuff, then you'll need to get your degree in finance or economics. Number 3, product manager. Product managers have an entry-level pay coming in at $89,000. It's somewhat interesting to see the title manager with a job that's coined as an entry-level job, but it is. As a product manager, you will have control of the life cycle of a specific product at your organization. You will oversee the planning and execution of the product from cradle to grave. If you're interested in this position, a college degree in operations management, marketing, or other related business degrees will set you on the right path for this job. Number 2, software engineers. Software engineers is the number 2 job here, and their entry-level pay is $90,000 per year. It's very respectable pay for just getting out of college. A software engineer sounds a bit like software developers that came in at number 10 on the list. But the difference between the two are that developers are in charge of the development of software platforms or applications and its functionality with the customer. A software engineer can do the same job, but their focus revolves around the structure of the software platform itself, which is essentially creating the software. If you want this job and don't know the degree you need, well, a degree in computer science is what you need. And number 1, data scientists. Data scientists are the highest entry-level pay with an annual salary of $95,000 a year. This is just incredible. A data scientist is exactly what it's saying, a scientist analyzing data. This is going to be big data analysis that is highly coveted by large businesses. You are going to need to have a high degree of understanding in coding language and concepts such as Hadoop, machine learning, MapReduce, MySQL, SAS, Python, among other concepts. If you're wanting to pursue this as a degree, there are schools offering data science degrees. A partial list of the colleges that offer degrees like this are Oklahoma State, Alabama, Texas A&M, among others. If you're looking at high amounts of data as something interesting to you, this is definitely worth a look. So there we go. That's the list of the top 10 highest paying entry-level jobs. As you can tell, a lot of these jobs are technical in nature or business related. So if you have the desire to pursue a technical degree or get your business degree, you have some potential to receive some incredible pay right out of college. With the conclusion of this list, are you a recent college grad in one of these fields? If so, please leave a comment below so other people know what type of experience you've seen in these fields. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider clicking the like button. If you enjoy this content, please also consider subscribing. Clicking the notification bell will set up alerts for you when new videos are released. With that, once again, thank you. Be safe, have a good one,